Hello and welcome to RG Hobby TV, and today we are going to unbox the SD Gundam EX Standard RX-0 and Unicorn Gundam 02 Banshee Norn Destroy Mode. Shout out to Zairi from Doujin Packers for contributing this kit. You can visit his Facebook page here, Doujin Packers, for your 2D waifu needs and husbando. You can refer to the page link under the description below. Right, now let's get to the unboxing. So this part of the box looks like this, 600 yen. We got the Banshee looks over here, and a variety of poses can be reproduced. Right, let's see what we have inside the box. You'll notice quite a big sheet of sticker, which is standard for EX Standard SD, A1 runner, A2 runner, Clear B runner, and polycap. Instruction manual, SD Gundam EX Standard, Unicorn Gundam Banshee Norn. The actual product may vary slightly from the images, actually not slightly but a lot, to be honest. Right, take a look on the instruction. Enjoy customization with SG, and that's actually the point of the SD EX Standard, apart from being an SD. You get a color guide over here. Good thing it comes in English as well, just like any other new kit from Bandai. And this is the instruction in Japanese Chinese translation. That's all for the SD Gundam EX Standard Unicorn Gundam 02 Banshee Norn Destroy Mode unboxing. And it's every time you hurt yourself with knives, and I'm calling out your name again. If you're holding on to fear, I knew the blind can open, let light shine through. And I say, why we can't stop all this sacrifice? I know that all the lies became the stone in your heart. I wonder how long you gonna survive. We didn't see all this meaning. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't like it. Leave your comments if you have any. And don't forget to subscribe for more Gunpla videos. Thank you for watching.